I just want to share a quick tip with you about using the Showit platform and getting things lined up or moving multiple elements at one time. So in Showit, these little tools down here are how you add either text or shapes or social grids, galleries, videos, photos, all are in these tools down at the bottom here. When you've got all of your pieces on your screen, say you want to make sure that this whole section of elements is aligned to the center of the screen. You'll use this little button right here, align to the center, and look, it wasn't. So now that's fixed. You will just use your arrow key, hold down your mouse button, and then select all at one time, and you can move all of those pieces at once. I'm going to align this to the center of this canvas vertically and horizontally. Say I want to make sure that these two pieces both line up here along the left. I can use this align to group. It's automatically going to go to the one that's aligned to the furthest left. So like that. I'm going to undo that and show you something else. If I wanted them to be aligned here versus here, I would move this one over and click and then use the align to group there. So that gives you a quick tip about how you can move multiple elements at one time by clicking and selecting. It also is a tip to show you how to align some of those things so that every bit of spacing on your website is just right. That shouldn't even be there. One other thing I want to show you is, what the heck? This shouldn't be here. Let's just go ahead and delete it. Say I want these to all be evenly spaced. This might not be the best example because these items are different sizes, but you can use this distribute button, and actually that looks pretty good to distribute all of your elements with the same spacing from edge of element to edge of element, and it's going to space them between the first and the last element that you clicked. So hope that has been helpful. I would love to help you with your Showit site. If you want help customizing your site, I have the Website Launch Accelerator available where I walk you through DIY of your own site, or if you want a done-for-you experience, let's chat about that too. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.